good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching my video. You know, if you're taking some time out of your busy day away from your family and you want to just drop by and hang with Jay, I appreciate it. But I wanted to shoot this video today, and I wanted to make this kind of quick here. I've been shooting a lot more training videos, just showing the normal person how to do simple things online. You know, as far as what is a marketing system. A lot of people don't know what a marketing system is, you know, or how to set up a capture page. So, you know, I've been shooting a lot more videos, just kind of breaking things down when it comes to affiliate marketing. But one thing that I wanted to talk about as well that you're definitely going to need as well is mindset. You know, you always want to be on a positive, you know, on a positive road through this journey, because this business can get overwhelming. It can get depressing. You know, and get to the point to where you want to give up and just quit. You know, so I always say, you know, give yourself between 60 to 90 days to learn the business here. And let me turn down. I got my Guardians of the Galaxy guys going. I'm a Marvel guy, so yeah, excuse me. But you know, you want to give yourself 60 to 90 days to learn this business, because this is not a walk in the park. Not everybody's going to come in this game and know exactly how to do it. So you have to educate yourself like anything. If you go to college, you have to educate yourself. You know, if you go to another job, they say a degree or similar experience, because they're not going to hire you. You know, you don't know anything. So you want to be, it's the same thing. You know, when you're joining these businesses and you're getting online, yeah, they're cool. You can make money in a lot of these affiliate programs, a lot of these businesses. But the reason that people call them a scam is because they don't know exactly what they're doing. You know, they haven't been taught traffic strategies. They haven't even been taught mindset more than anything, because like I said, you're going to lose, you're going to win. When you're an entrepreneur, or if you're in affiliate marketing, it goes like this. Don't. That's how it goes. You know, and you got to understand that this is the road that you're getting ready to tap into. And nobody said, oh, quit your jobs or anything. That's why I say keep your job as well. You know, so I'm speaking to you guys today, okay? Because as you're going through this roller coaster, guess what? You want to have some steady income if you're working. Because if you're like, okay, I'm not getting sales, but I'm getting a lot of education, but guess what? I still got my 9 to 5 money coming. So that's cool. You know, you always want to have some type of income flowing in if you are not working. So as I say, I am talking to the person that is looking to get started in this type of business until you're able to, you know, do the shift and move on. But you got to have mindset, okay? When I get up in the morning, I listen to a lot of affirmations. I listen to a lot of mindset training, just to get my mind in a better place to know that, hey, this is where I'm going to go. I'm going to do this today. If I'm going to go out and make $1,000 today, I'm going to make $1,000 today, because I believe it and I'm going to do it. I have that mindset. I'm going to do my thing, you know, or if I'm going to get damn near close to it. Okay. So I had a call came through, old lady. But pretty much, guys, I wanted to just pretty much say is that, you know, I get up in the morning and I listen to my audios. You know, I always believe that whatever I'm set to do that day, I'm going to do. So, you know, I listen to a lot of audio. I listen to a lot of audio books outside of just affirmations. If you like reading, you know, you definitely want to go pick some books up. A lot of great ebooks, you know, a lot of people that you can follow in this business as far as motivation goes. Eric Thomas, Gary V, Tony Robbins, Bob Proctor. There's a lot of people, guys. One of my favorites as well is Eric Thomas. So Eric Thomas is one of my favorites. Gonna tip my tongue, guys. On top of Dan Loke. Okay, so Dan Loke is my guy. I love Dan. So you know, these are a lot of people that I make sure that I listen to all the time, or make sure that I'm getting some type of, you know, food from. A lot of brain feed is what I call it. Okay, so if you're thinking that you want to get in this business and it's just gonna be a walk in the park, no, it's not. Okay, so people join businesses all the time and they say it's a scam because, you know, they don't get taught mindset, they don't get taught the regular training, the correct training, they don't get the understanding that you want to give yourself 6 to 9 months. I mean, 6 months to a year to be in the business, to actually understand and learn the business, learn marketing, learn mindset, because this is all a part of it as well. No, it's not just getting up, making a Facebook ad, or just doing a Craigslist ad or doing a Facebook ad. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in what you're doing. Because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody's going to believe in what you're doing. You know, if you're tired of working at 9 to 5, you got to understand that it takes work, you know. So what are you going to do? Are you going to take money from that 9 to 5 and invest it in yourself? Or are you going to sit there and keep spending money and just keep going on in a circle? That sucks, man. Nobody wants to do that. Nobody wants to have that type of life. So what about this? Where they give you that 30-minute lunch, man. That 30-minute lunch is bull crap. You know, it takes you 10 minutes to get out the building sometimes. And then you got to go drive to a place, which is 5 to 10 minutes. And then no telling how fast they're moving. So now you're risking being late. So you have to sit there and eat them chips and pops and all, and eat all that stuff from wherever, vending machines. And that's not healthy for you. So eventually you got to start figuring out, man, what's better for my life. You know, where I can get that freedom, where I can get up in the morning and go work out, where I can make the correct shake or so like that to put in my body, guys. I have lupus, you know. My lupus right now is non-active. So, yes, I'm non-active. God bless me to be one of those people. But I indulge in a lot of water. I do have, you know, things that I shouldn't have as well. But a better lifestyle can provide you a better outcome, you know, if you have that time. Now, I'm not the best at working out, but I want to get there, so I know eventually I will get to that point. And that's where my mind is at. Like, okay, so now your next step is working out. I can't always think about, okay, making money. That's why it's on autopilot. I had to think about ways of putting it on autopilot. I didn't give up. What are things I need to do? So I tapped in. How do you put your business on autopilot? Oh, marketing systems, traffic. Do you have more time to just sit and post on Facebook and do it? No, I don't. So I have to spend a little more money to get eyeballs to my business. So I had to learn that. I didn't give up. My mind is what led me to learn it. So number one is mindset. Always remember that. Any business that you decide to join, anything that you do in life, you want to have that mindset. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. That's how it works. Okay. Now I dropped a couple good people, man, for you to check out. Grant Cardone. I don't know if I think I left out Uncle G, but because there's so many people that are out here that can inspire you. You just got to find out who vibes with you. So when I first got into network marketing, online affiliate marketing, Eric Thomas was a big thing. Everybody was dealing, oh, Eric, you know, ET, and also Uncle G. You know, it was 10 times this, 10 times that. Young hustlers. And I locked into them. I locked in, and I never turned back. Never turned back, man. And now things are taking off. You know, I'm blessed, so that's why I'd rather sit back and show you guys trainings and give you information that's going to help you get to that next level. So it's not always about join me in this business or anything like that, but it is about helping you. So here's the thing, guys. Of course, I got to let you know what we do. You know, if you're interested in making anywhere from $100 to $1,000+ a week, then I'm gonna drop some information at the bottom here. That's gonna be right in my description or in my comment section. You're more than welcome to check those out. If you're looking forward to getting more videos and content from me, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button at the bottom, so that way I can make sure that I am sending you more information and you're getting these videos, or I'm giving you value and you're getting these videos. So, you know, definitely lock in. So I hope you found value. You know, definitely make sure that your mindset is the number one thing. Always get, always get your affirmations in. Read, keep positive things flowing through it, and you're going to be okay. All right, so this your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. To the next video, I'm out.